Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today teach you drill. We can add drills on design lines or patterns. Just select the drill tool. Then left click at one point. Input the start point of set value and the quantity. The distance between two closed drills. Click OK to finish. After finished, we can use the Forfix tool to create a pattern. Just left click on the outside line of the pattern. Then right click. Next, we can left click, crossing select the assistant lines. A dart line. The drills. And right click to finish. Then we press space key on the pattern to move the pattern. Okay, now when you adjust the design lines, the drill, change the radius of drill. You can see the design lines and the pattern linkage modified. Change this one to draw. You can see. Also, we can add drill directly on the assistant line. Select the drill tool. At this line, left click. Here, we can input the drill count. And the distance from the two endpoints of this line. Like this. Next, we can make a drill count, grading with a different size. Just click default. Here, we can select the dispersion. Then follow the different size. to edit the drill count. Take off the average size, means equal dispersion. Click OK. Click OK to finish. Now we can Next, we can modify the drill attribute and count. Here, the drill operation. This drill command can be used on cutting machine. The draw command means only draw on the plotter or cutting machine. And other drill commands can be used on the auto cutter. Here we can change the radius of drill. Like this. Also, we can name the number of strip information. Then we can use the strip mark in the mark making program. Finally, we can take off the modify all drills of style. Click OK. Like this. Okay, now we finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.